a problem under this by utilizing these steps regarding the nature of roots. Without actual solution of the quadratic equation, comment upon their roots, or here we have to find out the nature of the roots without finding the actual solution of the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is of 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equals to 0, that is the first one. Then whereas in the second case, so x square minus 4x plus 5 is equals to 0. Solution starts now. So here about the first one, that is 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equals to 0 is the given quadratic equation. So here that implies ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is the gen form of quadratic equation. So here let us compare the general form of a quadratic equation with the given quadratic equation. So here by comparing the coefficients of x square comma x and as well as constants, so we can write it as, so here x square coefficient is of a and here x square coefficient in the given quadratic equation is of 9. So here we can substitute a as 9 in the first case, then now x coefficient in the gen form of a quadratic equation is of b and x coefficient is of minus 6. So here b equals to minus 6. Then now real constant is of c. So 1 is the real constant of the given quadratic equation. So here therefore the c value is of 1. But we know that discriminant is given by means of d, discriminant capital D is equals to b square minus 4ac. So here we are going to find out the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So here that implies, so here a value is of 9, b is of minus 6 and c is of 1. So here we have to substitute a equals to 9 and b equals to minus 6 and c is equals to 1 in the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Then the next logical step will be of b square, that is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a value is of 9, then c value is of 1. Then now that implies minus 6 whole square. So minus must be repeatedly multiplied twice, minus into minus is of plus. Then now 6 square, 6 into 6 is of 36 minus 4 9s is of 36, 36 1s is of 36. So here further simplification, 36 is of negative and this 36 is of positive, plus 36 and minus 36 will be gets cancelled. Then the next logical step will be of, that implies, so here 0 is left over. So in this manner we got, so here therefore d value, that is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So b square minus 4ac, which is nothing but the discriminant, is equals to 0. So here since d equals to 0, that is discriminant value is 0, then we can write the roots as, then the roots are real and equal. Then now let us go for the second case, that is the second problem. We have to find out the discriminant value, that is b square minus 4ac of the quadratic equation, that is x square minus 4x plus 5 equals to 0. Second one is of x square minus 4x plus 5 is equals to 0. So, this is the given quadratic equation. So, here let us compare with the gen form of the quadratic equation. So, this is the solution of the second one. So, gen form is of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So, this is the general form or the gen form of quadratic equation. Now, let us compare the coefficients of x square of the gen form with the coefficients of x square with the given quadratic equation, whereas in the given quadratic equation x square coefficient is of 1 and in the gen form of the quadratic equation x square coefficient is of a. So, here a must be equated to 1, then now x coefficient is of b in the gen form and x coefficient is of minus 4 in the given quadratic equation. So, b value is of minus 4 and c real constant is of 5 in the given quadratic equation. So, here by comparing coefficients of x square comma x and as well as real constants, then we have by comparing we can get x square coefficient as a and here x square coefficient as 1. So, a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4, c equals to 5. So, a equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4 and c equals to 5, but we know that discriminant, that is d, is given by means of b square minus 4ac. So, we have to find out the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac by substituting the values of a, b and as well as c. So, here that implies, so here b value is of minus 4, but it must be squared because it is of b square minus 4 into a value is of 1 into c value is of 5. So, that implies minus 4 whole square, minus must be repeatedly multiplied twice. So, minus into minus is of plus 4 square, 4 fours is of 16 minus 4 ones is of 4, 4 fives is of 20. By further simplification, the next logical step will be of plus into minus is of minus, let us subtract greater minus least, 20 minus 16 is of 4, but to assess the sign of 4, so here 20 is greater, its sign is of negative, therefore, it assesses the sign of minus. Then now, so therefore, we can write the roots as so here since the discriminant value that is b square minus 4ac is equals to minus 4, which is less than, that is less than 0. So, here therefore, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, hence the roots are imaginary or complex. So, in the similar manner, let us go for the next solution, that is the next problem, it is problem number 2. Comment upon the nature of roots. So, here we have to comment upon the nature of roots without finding them. So, without finding them of a quadratic equation. So here the quadratic equation is of x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. So as per the problem, we have to comment upon the nature of the roots without finding them of a quadratic equation. So here the solution starts now. So as per the problem, the given quadratic equation is of x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0 is the given quadratic equation. Then now let us compare with the general form of a quadratic equation, that is implies ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, which is nothing but the gen form of quadratic equation. By comparing the coefficients of x square, x and as well as c, that is x square's coefficient is of a and x square coefficient is of 1 in the given quadratic equation, x coefficient is of b in the gen form of a quadratic equation, and x coefficient is of minus 3 in the given quadratic equation. Constant is of c and the constant in the given quadratic equation is of 2. So here by comparing coefficients of x square, x and as well as constants, we get, so a value is of 1 and b is of minus 3 and c value is of 2. Then we know that discriminant, the discriminant is given by means of d, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. So you have to find out the value of the discriminant, that is d, by replacing the values of b, a and as well as c as per the given quadratic equation, which are a value is of 1, b is of minus 3 and c is of 2 in the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Then the next logical step will be of, so here d is given by means of b square minus 4ac, whereas here we have to substitute the values, that is a equals to 1 minus 3 and as well as 2. So a equals to 1, b value is of minus 3 and c value is of 2. So we have to substitute these values in the d value, that is d, which is nothing but the b square minus 4ac. Then the next logical step will be of, so that implies b square, that is b is of minus 3. So we have to substitute it as minus 3, but it must be squared because it is of b square minus 4 into a is of 1 into c value is of 2. Then the next logical step will be of, that implies minus 3 whole square, minus must be repeatedly multiplied twice. So minus into minus is of plus 3 square, 3 into 3 is of 9, minus 4 ones is of 4, 4 into 2 is of 8. So here then the next logical step, by further simplification, plus into minus is of minus, let us subtract, greater minus least, 9 minus 8 is of 1. To assess the sign of 1, so we have to see the greater among 9 and 8, 9 is greater than 8, 9 sign is of positive, so it is of positive. So in this manner we got, so therefore discriminant d is equals to b square minus 4ac is equals to 1, but 1 is a perfect square, so 1 which is greater than 0 and as well as a perfect square. So here hence d, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and a perfect square. So here therefore we can write, so here therefore since it is greater than 0 and as well as the perfect square, so we can write the roots as, so here therefore roots of the given quadratic equation are of real, unequal and rational. So in this manner, so we have performed few problems based upon the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation.